Hello everyone and good afternoon sa ating lahat. Today is the Wednesday edition of our end of day market recap. So hello sa inyo ha. I hope na nakapag lunch na kayo. um, so ayan. Okay, good afternoon. Ang dami ko na nakikita na nasa comment box natin. Hello sa inyo. Yan. It's already 12:35 no. So let's have a quick check muna ng market and then I'll go to our comment section. Ayan. So right now, PSEI is down 17 points or 6,483. So bumalik na naman tayo ng below 65 with a value turnover right now na nasa 3.35. And then as usual, this is now our kung sakasakali magtuloy-tuloy 14 day na consecutive net foreign sell. Ayan. On the stat sheet naman, we can see here, top gainer natin, Apo, 18%, Chi, 80, SGP, OPMB, MRC, and the rest. While on the loser side naman, we have JOH na minus 9%, CAB, OPM, MA, MAB, and the rest. Ayan. So, halos, balance or mixed pagdating sa mining kasi we can see here some of the minings dito sa worst loser and at the same time meron din dito sa top gainers natin. Ayan, ang bagal niya. Anyways, so ayan. Okay, sige. Let's have a quick check lang muna, no? May nangyari doon. Bakit ako nawala bigla? Ayan. Okay, so hello sa inyong lahat. Philip, good morning. Saan kaya ang direction ni APL? APL is medyo nag-uptrend na siya ng konti no, after it reached yung sa 0.2 na support. So, ano nangyari nga pala kay APL ngayon? Flat. No? So, ayun. After umangat doon sa 0.2, nagka-flat na siya dito sa bandang ito. Ayan. Hello Alex, good morning. FOO price ACEN 6 to 8 pesos. Yes, 6 to 8.20 to be exact. No? So doon daw siya maglalaro ang FOO ni ACEN. And we will see more on that siguro April 26 which is next week. Ayan. Sabi ni Christian Guerra na another 4 years sale na naman sa stock. Yun lang. Hello Troy, good afternoon. Edit, should I sell or hold Converge? As usual, Edit, sorry pero I don't answer sa mga ganyang question kasi hindi ko alam yung history mo, hindi ko alam yung strategy mo, hindi ko alam yung budget capital mo, hindi ko alam kung marami kong hindi alam about you kasi ako naniniwala ako na how you buy or sell or hold a stock is depends kung ano yung style mo. Diba? So, there are a lot of things in play there. Hindi lang siya basta-basta, I buy, I hold, I sell. Hindi lang basta-basta ganun. Okay? Yan. Hello Karen, good afternoon. Auto-like tayo. Ayun. Sige. Thanks Karen for that reminder. And yeah, if you find guys this type of session helpful, please subscribe to our channel sa YouTube and or kung nasa Facebook man kayo, then pa-like naman din or if you can share it to your groups or to your pages, would really appreciate that. Yan. Si Christian, ayun lang. Uy, wala akong sinasabing ganyan Baka isipin nila namimigay ako. Hindi ko. Ayan. Good afternoon, AJ. Lenore, ano pinagkaiba ng Manila Mining MA sa MAB? Yung MA, yun yung Manila Mining itself. MAB is the preferred share. As far as I know, preferred yung MAB. Hello, Ben. Evan, Rhea, Mavic. Tess, RRHI may buyback. Ano po meaning non newbie here? Thanks. Okay, so for buyback kasi, yeah, nabasa ko yung buyback kanina. Bakit hindi naglo-load yung mga pages ko? Yan. Doon na mismo sa labas. Kasi makikita natin yun eh. Wow, ang bagal niya ngayong araw Wait lang guys Ang bagal ng edge ko ngayon. Saan ko siya napansin? Nakita ko yun eh. Wala. But anyway, sige. Sagutin natin yan very quickly. Buyback kasi, ang ibig sabihin nun is that the company would like to buy additional shares. Kasi kumbaga parang ganito, ikaw bibili ka ng RRHI, di ba? So the company can also do the same. Bibilhin nila yung sarili nilang stock. And kapag ganon, that is what we call the buyback. No? Now, ano ang impact doon sa mga traders or sa atin sa market? Usually it is a good sentiment, no, for that stock, kasi it gives confidence doon sa mga traders na the company is buying its own. So ibig sabihin, maybe there is a speculation na baka umangat na yung presyo nito, or the company is thinking na baka mura na, no, at its current price yung presyo ng kanilang stock. Yun. So ganun yung impact nun on the trader side. And Mon are going to buy Monde Nissin. Ayun, sige, pag-usapan natin si Monde Nissin maya-mayang konti. Uy, 12:41 na. Sige guys, ganito. Let's have a quick check muna. Baka maligaw tayo, di ba? Disclosure muna tayo ngayon. So far wala pa naman tayo nakikitang significant, no? Significant na news for the day. Kaya wala masyado. Pero kahapon, may additional lang tayo, no? Kasi if you recall, nagkaroon ng disclosure itong si ACEN, 'di ba? About its yung nangyaring ASM sa kanila, no? And one of them is a property share swap, no? Ito ba 'yun? Teka ha. Result. Oh, wow. Guys, nagugulat ako. For 2 MB tapos 27 minutes. Kumusta yung ano ko, yung double check ko. Mukhang mabagal yata ngayong araw yung internet ko. 10 minutes for 2 MB? Anyways, sige, I'll try to discuss this one very quickly, no? So, ayun, magkakaroon ng share swap, okay, between ACEN and yung kanyang parent company na si AC Energy and Infrastructure, ACEI. Okay? So, on this particular share swap, ang mangyayari is si ACEI will receive 16.7 billion common shares ng ACEN. Okay, so ACEN will give 16.7 billion shares kay ACEI. Tapos in return naman si ACEN, asan naman yun? Ayun, bibigyan din siya ni ACEI ng common and preferred shares doon sa AC Energy International or ACEINT, no? To be honest, medyo naguguluhan ako sa mga subsidiary, parent, blah 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 nila, no. But essentially that's the news about ACEN, and this deal could value ACEN shares at around 5.51 per share. Okay? So, ayun. Is that a good news or a bad news for ACEN? For me, kasi it's more on how ACEN is trying to organize yung kanyang parang pinaka-corporate structure, no? Kasi 'di ba? Let's have a quick recap. Si ACEN, nagkaroon niya ng FOO, nagkaroon siya ng for this year lang FOO, SRO, tapos private placement. Those activities are dilution activities, meaning pwedeng lumit yung presyo ng bawat value ng stock. 'Di ba? But then the purpose of that is of course para mapalaki yung overall value ni ACEN, and add to that is of course yung potential earnings niya in the future. So, kumbaga more on investment type ito. Okay? So, ayan, kaya medyo even ngayon medyo magulo pa rin, no? And then itong upcoming FOO, so alam niyo na, that's another potential new number of shares na may introduce sa market. Yan. So that is for ACEN, no? And as we can see here, ang presyo ni ACEN ay ito. Gali ko tong mga ni-doodle natin noong nakaraan. Ayan. Ayan. So, ACEN is currently down 1.34% for today. And it is at 7.39 ngayon. So, we are already at run-off. Ayan. So, yun yung naging impact as of today kay ACEN. Okay? Now, for another news, of course, is... Saan na yun? Pinost ko ito kanina. No? This is all about Monde Nissin. Ayan. So, itong part nung kay Monde Nissin, ano na to, nai-report na siya natin way back early March. No? Pero at that time kasi, wala pa tong offer period at saka listing date. Okay? So, ngayon, meron na. Ayan. So, based doon sa naging report, actually nakuha ko to from GMA 7 last night. Sabi nila that the offer period will start on May 17 hanggang May 21, and then tentative listing date is May 31st. Okay? At the moment, ang offer price niya is up to 17.5. Ibig sabihin nun, yun na yung maximum, 17.50. No? So, ibig sabihin yan, pwedeng bumaba pa yan. Okay? Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan yung last day or kailan yung offer price deadline. No? So, but definitely it will be before May 17, 'di ba? Yan. So, we'll know more, no? Hanapin ko pa yung mga iba pang details about it, especially kung kailan ma-finalize yung offer pricing. But yeah, basically this is what Monde Nissin is doing right now. Teka ha. Ayan. Okay. And ayan, offer size is 3.6 billion shares with over allotment of 540 million. Tapos overall size is nasa around 72.5 billion, and which is one of the biggest in terms of IPO pricing ngayong in the recent memory, no? Pagdating sa IPOs. Kasi if we recall, yung mga iba nasa less than 2 billion lang, di ba? But then right now, we are seeing 72.5 billion. So medyo malaki siya. As we know, Monde Nissin is involved in the noodles biscuit, Lucky Me, ano pa ba? Nissin Voice Bingo Monde. Puro kang biskwit, di ba? And also some of its subsidiaries include Skyflakes, Fita, Corn, and the company also distributes Mamacitas and Dutch Milk here in the Philippines. So, use of proceeds, dito ako medyo alanganin, to be honest. Kasi, kung mapapansin natin, although merong to fund capital expenditure, it's just around 36% lang. While the remaining, itong 34 at saka itong 28, almost 60%, mapupunta lang sa pambayad utang. Loan repayment at saka convertible note redemption. Ayan. So, etong part na to medyo alanganin ako dyan kasi syempre, kung mapupunta lang pala ng parang yung binili mo is 60% of that mapupunta lang sa sa utang, and then almost 40% lang yung mapupunta sa capital expenditure, no, which can potentially boost the price of Monde Nissin in the long term, no. Medyo may kaliitan. Okay. Now, so that's the story of Monde Nissin. I'd like to know how is it? What do you guys think about Monde Nissin in terms of its price? No, let's say for example, it will take the maximum of around 17.5 per share. Do you think that is expensive? Do you think that is cheap? Do you think you would be interested to buy Monde Nissin on the IPO price? Let me know. Ayan. Okay. So, having said that, let me go back. No? We are at the 12:49 mark na. Ayan. So, sa start na ulit tayo ng ating market in the next 2 minutes. Ayan. Okay. So, hayaan lang natin siya nagra-run dyan sa background. Let me go back doon sa comment section. Tingnan natin kung may mga additional questions or comments pa. Ayan. Okay. Kamatis man, sir, di masyado nag-react si market sa Converge disclosure. Okay, yung kay Converge kasi na disclosure, teka ha, hanapin natin, silipin natin 'to, CNVRG, ayan. Um, Nabasa ko rin yung kanina, eh. For me kasi hindi siya gano'n ka-big deal, to be honest. Ang ibig lang nilang sabihin doon is naglatag na sila ng, parang pinakalinya nila 'no, ending sa Davao, okay. It's a good news kasi as we know, um, yung Converge is trying to target other locations, especially Visayas and Mindanao, kasi mostly yung kanilang operation is centered lang sa Luzon. I think that's a good news kasi ibig sabihin that could potentially expand their coverage, no? And pwede silang maging parang kumbaga third option aside from PLDT at saka Globe. Saan ba yun? Yan. Now, kaya ko nasabi na it's not a big impact kasi it is already part of their plan all along. So, noong nag-IPO ang Converge, plano na talaga nila, no, na mag-expand. So, kumbaga, this one is more on confirmation na lang na, okay, mag-expand talaga kami. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-exciting in terms of the news, no? And a lot of people are already anticipating this one. So, kumbaga, ang mangyayari pag ganun kasi yung situation, magiging sell-on news na lang siya, no? And I believe that is what is happening right now. CNVRG. Okay. So kanina, flat lang itong si Converge, no? So ayun, again, a lot of people are already anticipating this one. So kaya maybe hindi natin nakikita yung biggest impact niya, which I think very minimal, to be honest, no? Pero kung papansinin natin in terms of the chart, mukhang may mga nakakaalam na nito. Kaya nag-boost yung presyo niya, no? From 1780 ngayon ay nasa 1910 na ngayon. 'Di ba? Is that insider trading? No, I don't think so. Kasi nga as I mentioned, alam na ng karamihan, eh, 'di ba? And actually nare-report na rin nila way back, I think last month nakita ko na yung news ng Converge, no, na they are already on the process of building their infrastructure para mag-link, to boost their capacity doon sa Visayas and Mindanao area. Okay, so ayun, I hope I was able to answer that question. Good afternoon, gagawa ka ba ng analysis for Monday? Yes, I will. Sa ngayon hindi pa, no, kasi I am waiting for the final pricing. Okay, para at least isang gawaan lang and then kumpleto lahat. Okay, Arya, sir, ilan po ang hawak niyong trading stocks? Ilang percent po allocation niyo per stock? Right now, I have about 5, no? And then, ilan ang allocation ko? Almost, hindi. Halos balancing nga ba? Hindi, eh. Kasi I have 25, 25%, 30%, 10%, 10%. Tas 15%, parang gano'n, no? To be honest, Arya, hindi ko mino-monitor kung ilang percent yung allocation. So, meron lang ako lagi naka-ready, no, na for example lang testing price ko, siguro papasok lang ako mga around, maliit lang naman, hindi naman ako gano'n kayaman, no, hello. Usually entry point ko is nasa around 50K, tapos ayun, mag-a-add in na lang ako pagka meron pa ako nakikitang okay, no. Yeah, gano'n yung mga usual test buy na ginagawa ko. Hello Claire, Jean, yo, watching from Brunei, wow, hello sa'yo. Yo, anong oras ngayon dyan? Same ba tayo ng time zone? Bakit lumipad ang Chi? Oo nga, no? Hindi ko alam. Cebu Holdings, oo nga, no? Lumipad siya. Pero again, well, yeah, 10 million ang value and kita naman natin yung volume dito. To be honest, hindi ko alam, Lenore. Karen, naiwan ako ng 80. Ito, yung kay grupo ng Apo, 'di ba Apo is also up yata ngayon, 'di ba? Ayan, Apo is up 18%. Yan. Grupo niya yan, si ano, si AT, Atlas at saka si UPM. Okay? So si Anglo Philippines Holdings kasi again holding firm siya. Tapos subsidiary niya si UPM at saka si AT. So damay-damay sila. Yun nga lang ang problema is that kay UPM kahapon pa siya lumipad. Ngayon, I think medyo nagkaroon na ng take profit no. Take profit na yung kay UPM today. Pero si AT is up naman siya ngayon. Take out pa nga siya. So, ayan. Okay lang yan. Marami pang mga opportunities dyan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ayan, sabi ni Jane Converge, may magandang disclosure. Yan yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. Joey, good afternoon. Auto like, sir. Thank you so much for that. I do really appreciate it. Ayan. Sige, let's have a quick check lang muna ng market, no, para lang at least before matapos yung end of day natin. So, right now, PSEI, ayun, down tayo almost 61, more than 61 points or minus almost 1% with value turnover na nasa 4.8 billion lang. Okay, and then again, as expected, we are net foreign sell, no? Net foreign sell tayo of about 700 million. This is our 14th day consecutive, no, na net foreign sell. Okay, tapos in terms of ayun, services ang up natin sa ngayon. Kaso liit lang, 0.85%. And then ang kawawa is the property sector na minus 2%. Kung mapapansin natin, no, kanina medyo maganda, nasa around I think 40 points lang tayo down, no. Pero kung mapapansin natin, bigla down lahat. And kung mapapansin natin dito yung mga graph nila, halos lahat down. Maliban lang kay meron ba? Ayun, si services lang talaga yung medyo maganda yung movement, no. But then the rest, you know, sudden yung bagsakan nila, eh. Ayan. Okay. Now, on the stat sheet, meron ba mga surprises ngayon? Wala naman. We have seen itong mga grupo na to kanina, APO, CHI, JOH, AT, OPMB, and the rest. While on the worst loser naman, ayun, UPM, minus 9%, CAB, JAS, MA, MAB, ACX, and the rest. Yan. So, yun yung lagay ng market natin for today. And then now, let's have a quick check sa mga ibang stocks, no? Silipin lang natin very quickly kung ano nakikita natin dito sa ticker board. So, ACEN is down 1.34%. And mukhang meron pa, no? Meron pang laman tong volume sa mga gustong magbenta. Ayan. Pero at least, 'di ba, at 739 above rin siya nung ating support. So that's good to hear. APL, ayan. Oh, wow. Mas maganda yung nasa bid side, no, in terms of the support. Yun nga lang, merong value pa rin dito sa mga sellers for APL. Though nag-close ito ng 0.2240 ngayon. The good thing is yung 0.2 mismo, which is the support na I'm looking at, nag-hold pa rin naman sa kanya, no. So I hope na magtuloy-tuloy na umakyat itong si APL. Okay. PLC, ayan. Yun, medyo mabigat na yun nasa seller side ni PLC 4650, no. Nandito yung nasa bentahan mode ngayon itong si PLC. Sino pa ba? So we have, let's see, dito, ano, kanina flat ito, ngayon ay flat pa din. 10.54 pa rin siya. Ayan, wala, tahimik itong si dito right now. Diba? Tahimik lang talaga siya. Wala, nagko-consolidate. Hayaan lang natin siya na nandiyan na mag-iikot-ikot. No? Kasi, bakit siya nagkakaroon ng consolidation right now? Kasi, in my opinion wala na kasing ibang news. Kumbaga wala nang, number one, commercial launch has already happened. Nagkaroon ng mga problema from sa mga part na yon. So, what's next? 'di ba? Usually catalyst malakas kasi ang dito kapag merong catalyst, 'di ba? Or merong news. Pero given na wala, then wala din. Kaya tahimik lang siya, 'no? But then, the good thing kahit papaano, kumbaga yung pinaka silver lining na nakikita ko kay dito is that kahit na wala siyang news, nagko-consolidate pa rin siya. So, unlike sa iba na kapag walang news, sumasadsad yung presyo. Well, sa kanya hindi. So, nagko-consolidate. So, I think that's still a good performance for dito. And I hope, no, na magkaroon na ng ng catalyst sa kanya. Yan. Who else? We talked about Tito, ACEN. How about KPA? Yan. Okay, so maganda. 4.5% up siya ngayon. Nice, nice. With a value of about 81 million. Nice. Okay, so congrats sa dun sa may mga PA holders. I hope maganda na yung portfolio nyo so far. And okay, let me go back sa comment section ha. Tingnan ko kung may mga specific question doon. Okay. Hello Alvin, good afternoon din sa'yo. Pullback time ng hawak para may lakas ulit bukas. Yes. Ganun talaga, no? At least kahit pa paano, nakakapagpahinga yung mga stocks, di ba? So, okay lang yan. That's totally normal. Rolly, is it possible that TDMPR price will go down on its ex-date on April 23? Wala naman movement masyado sa price niya. So, meron kayang mag-sell down on April 23. Usually, sa mga dividends talaga, no, may nagkakaroon ng sell down doon sa ex-date. Okay? However, yung mga sell down kasi na yon only happens kapag masyadong significantly big yung ibibigay na dividend yield. Pero doon sa mga stocks na hindi naman ganong kalakihan, usually hindi masyado, no? Although most of the time red yung candle niya doon sa ex-date. Okay, so just siguro you can expect na red candle siya, pero I don't think na malaki ang impact, no? Kasi medyo maliit lang naman yung dividend yield ni DDMPR. So hindi siya ganun kalalim kung sakasakali. Ayan. For Hashirama, for 5 days na accumulation, laging hinaharangan. Yun lang. Oo. Silipin nga natin si marami ang gusto magbenta na at especially at 235 hanggang 240, no? Ganun talaga. I think ito yun. They are trying to look for this one, itong MA50. Kasi kung mapapansin natin, no, halos nandoon siya sa part na yun. So I think, ewan ko lang. That's just trying to stitch the information that we have. And for Troy, ako din nahuli sa pagsampa ni Green sa EMA20. O nga, no, Green is up today, di ba? Yun, maganda. 3.90. No? Okay lang yan, Troy. You don't have to worry about it too much. Trying to time the market is not really a good idea. Okay? This is for everyone. Timing the market is not really a good idea. No? Kasi most often than not, hindi nyo kayang i-timing yan ng eksakto. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi, di ba? You don't have to speculate. Just prepare and react. Or just prepare to react. No, ibig sabihin kapag may na-hit na trigger points, either buy or sell, then saka lang tayo gagalaw. Okay? Para at least that can give us parang enough time, no? Kasi again, I'm telling you this based on my almost 10 years of experience sa market doing technical analysis. For my own portfolio, trying to time the market is really not a good idea. And no one can do that ng ng consistent and perfect. Okay? So, ayan. Okay, so same lang tayo ng time zones with Brunei. Thanks, yo. Appreciate that. Christopher, CLI, mukhang maganda galawan. Yes, actually, si CLI, lumakas siya kanina. Actually, nung isang araw pa, di ba? Kasi, So congrats sa mga CLI holders. Yan, 'di ba may disclosure din ito nung nakaraan about dun sa expansion nila or new project sa may Cebu. Yan, okay. Sige, let me have a quick check, no? Sino pa ba? For Bloom, again, Bloom or ang mga casinos, they are still not operational at this time, which means in the short term, yung kanilang sentiment is still relatively low or medyo bearish pa. So, ingat sa mga yon. Yun nga lang, in terms of the technicals, we can see here, no? Medyo maganda naman yung sa 6.7. Mukhang doon siya kumukuha ng support niya. Yun nga lang, ang laki nung ay, hindi naman ganun kalaki. Pero yeah, bumaba talaga siya kanina with a value turnover of about 40 million. Yan. Okay. Now, again, sabi ko, bearish market sentiment on the short term. However, I still think that when the market recovers, casinos will be one of those, no, na pwedeng sumipa. But then we are now looking at about the mid to long term dun sa part na yon. Kasi still at this point medyo hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung yung kumbaga consistent progress in terms of the recovery. Diba? So kasi nung nakaraan we have seen that akala ko rin tuloy-tuloy na recovery natin and then biglang boom, COVID-19 cases sumipa, it brought the market down. Diba? So I'm hoping na makabangon ulit or maka-recover and magtuloy-tuloy. Ayan, okay. It's already 1:06. Siguro dalawa na lang, no? And then let's call it a day. Virgin BHI. Ano nangyari kay BHI? Uy, nice. Ayun. So BHI tuloy-tuloy pa rin, no? Ayos. So congrats sa mga BHI holders. I hope na magdire-diretso siya. This is a okay, 52-week high lang, no? Next na nakikita kong resistance is nasa 0.12. Ganun pa kalaki yung 0.12 based on today's close? About 11%. Not bad. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Ito, sabi ni Alex, P-Gold nag-higher low na. Yes. So for P-Gold, nakita natin 'di ba nag-decline itong presyo nito pero kahapon at saka ngayon, ayan, mukhang nagre-recover siya. Yun nga lang, chart-wise or technical-wise, kita natin itong MA50 nakaharang pa rin dun sa sa stock. So it tried na i-break pero hindi siya nangyari. No? Although higher low siya pero still too early to tell, Alex, no? Kasi as we can see here, dalawa pa lang yung candle. No? So we'll have to see how it goes, especially kung anong gagawin niya dito sa MA50 line. Okay, and then last na lang muna sa ngayon, we have Arya, sabi niya 10 years na pala kayo sa market, sir. Ano pong galawan ng mining stocks 10 years ago nung wala pang moratorium? Actually, mas maganda ang galawan ng mining on all the sectors. No? Mining talaga yung pinaka-volatile kasi doon marami yung speculations. And sobrang dami rin ng mga pwedeng mangyari sa kanya kasi versus yung mga other stocks or other sectors like property, financial, yung mga yon, very stable kasi sila. While pagdating sa mining and oil, dito maraming controversy. So, yung galawan ng mining and oil ay talagang highly volatile. So, ayun. Okay. So yun guys, hanggang dito lang po muna tayo. Again, as I have mentioned, very quick lang itong ating naging end of day discussion kasi we are just trying to monitor the market, no? And as we have discussed kanina, we talked about yung market recap, kung ano nangyari. We also talked about ACEN na nagkaroon ng share swap sa kanyang parent company. And of course, we touched base on the Monde Nissin, no, na update. Ayan. Okay. So guys, yun lang muna ngayon. Pasensya na. Kita-kits mamayang gabi, 8 PM. We'll have our stock kwentuhan. So yun, mas mahaba yun. Almost 2 hours. Okay? So yun guys, maraming salamat for tuning in. I hope to see you later on. Kain muna tayo ng lunch and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.